In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a chart to a Salesforce report. This is a fantastic way to visualize your data, making it easier to analyze and present your findings to stakeholders or team members. Let's dive straight in and turn those numbers into easy-to-understand visual insights. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the Reports section. You'll easily spot this option at the top of your Salesforce interface. This is essentially your gateway to all the reports you've been working on, along with those that are accessible to your team. Take a moment to sift through your available reports and choose the one you wish to enhance with the addition of a chart. Now that you've opened your report, it's crucial to ensure that it contains at least one grouping. This step is essential because, without a grouping, you won't have the option to add a chart. Consider groupings as categories that help break down your data. You might, for example, choose to group by opportunity owner or close date. If your current report hasn't been grouped yet, don't worry. You can add a grouping by entering the outline section within the report editor. Once you've confirmed that your report is correctly grouped, you'll notice the Add Chart button becomes active at the top of your report screen. Go ahead and click on it. This action will prompt Salesforce to automatically generate a default chart for you. While this default chart is a good starting point, you might want to customize it further to better align with your specific needs or preferences. To start customizing your chart, look for the gear icon located in the top right corner of the chart itself. Clicking this icon will open up the Chart Properties panel. This is where the real transformation of your chart begins. You have the freedom to change the chart type, whether you prefer a bar, line, or pie chart, or perhaps another style that better suits the data you're working with. Additionally, you can give your chart a title. This title should clearly define what the viewer is observing, which helps enhance understanding at a glance. Don't overlook the axis labels. Properly labeling your axes ensures that anyone looking at the chart can easily comprehend what the values represent, making your chart a more effective communication tool. While you're making these adjustments, take a moment to preview how the chart looks and feels. It's all about making data accessible and visual. And there you have it, a few simple clicks and tweaks later, and you've transformed your Salesforce report with a meaningful visual representation of your data. You've not just created a chart, you've crafted a powerful tool for decision-making and storytelling. Enjoy exploring your data in this new light, and don't hesitate to experiment with different configurations until you find the one that best serves your needs. Happy reporting!